top down, no nigga, just a shih tzu. Bad bitch, she only smoke blunts with the glass tips. And she buy Chanel bags just to put her cash in. Chanel die high boot, stashed at 380. Money on her mind, she ain't thinking about no baby.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What's good? I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, so I'm just going to get started with my eyebrows. Sadly, my natural eyebrows are non-existent, so I really have to take my time with this and kind of fake it till I make it, and I'm just using the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil to do them. Now to clean them up, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just going to carve them out and better shape them. So moving on to our eyes, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Forward Concealer to prime my eyelids and give myself a blank canvas to work on. Now I'm going to attempt to do a black smoky eye, so just keep in mind I'm no makeup artist, I don't got no degree for this, I'm just trying my best. And I'm just going to set them with the Airspun Loose Setting Powder. I'm taking the Morphe NB12 palette and dipping into that warm brown orangey kind of copper shade. I'm just packing that onto my crease and blending it out. I'm also grabbing a clean blending brush to soften up the edge. I'm now taking this black shade called Fashionista from the Tarte palette and packing that onto my lid, slowly but surely blending it into my crease. I'm occasionally going into that first copper shade to make sure it doesn't get lost and taking that clean brush to make sure it blends out smoothly. I didn't feel like it was black enough, so I decided to add some gel eyeliner just to the very bottom of my eyelids, enough to be able to blend out to the top of my eyelids and not so much to the crease because I didn't want to do anything too crazy and end up having raccoon eyes. I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and cleaning up all the fallout, and I'm going to take some of this Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer to prime my face. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Forward Foundation. And using a brush first, then going in with my damped beauty blender to make sure there's no brush strokes and to really push the foundation into my skin and not just have it look like it's sitting on top of it. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and put it under my eyes, on my chin, nose, and forehead, and just blend it out. please excuse all the faces I make. I'm taking the Fit Me Loose setting powder and lightly setting my whole face and then going back to bake under my eyes. I'm taking the butter bronzer to add some color back into my skin and just kind of using it as both bronzer and contour. I'm going to go ahead and bake underneath my cheeks to sharpen it up. And I'm also attempting to contour my big ass nose, and this was my first time doing nose contour, so I don't know how I feel about it, but it ain't all that bad if I do say so myself. To use this Benefit Brow Precise gel thingy to set my brows. I'm going in with the Milani blush on my cheeks and just wiping off all the bake and powder I have on my skin while I'm at it. For highlight, I'm using Wet n Wild shade Blossom or something like that. And since I'm going to be putting on Falsies, mascara doesn't really matter, so I use this OG one that everyone loves, but I think it's crap. I just, still have to get my money's worth out of it, so. For my under eyes, I'm going to take the two shades I used and smoked it out underneath, and also apply eyeliner on my waterline. Telescopic mascara from L'Oreal, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use the Kiss eyelashes in number 11. Okay, for lips, I'm using the CoverGirl lipstick from the Queen collection and adding some Wet n Wild lip gloss. And that completes my makeup look for the day. My attempt at a black smoky eye didn't come out all that spot, if I do say so myself. I'm just going to spray my face with this Shimmer and Glow spray. And well, I tried.
Brown skin, pretty brown eyes, slim waist, but her hips kinda wide, thick thighs. She about 5'5" or about 5'6". Pretty tits sitting high, legs crossed when she sit. Hair was hanging by the inch, then she cut it off. Eyebrows on fleek.
Sipping this lean, I'm living carefree, da da da. LSD for me and you, keep up please. You can't judge nobody, so don't judge me. I just like smoking that weed.